guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be testing out a product. This is the Juvia'S Place and Fumi collaboration. I'm not sure if you guys know who Fumi is, but I will list all her social media information in the description box below. If you guys never seen entire thing came about, go on her Instagram. She talked about it. Go on her YouTube channel. She talked about the whole entire thing. And whenever I'm buying anything from Juvia'S Place, I always use her code because I love this lady. So this is the Queen collection. This is the palette, and I just love the packaging. And you guys know I'm in love with the packaging. You know I don't throw them away. And this is the two lip gloss that we're gonna try at the end of the video. So this is Royalty, and the other one, the Queen. Also, I'm gonna try to use all Juvia'S Place products, but we're just gonna go ahead and do the video. I'm gonna see you guys at the end of the video, and then we're gonna talk about the products.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. that I was further from.
So this is how everything looks. I really do love this product. I haven't done a video like this, just like doing my face without talking, and you guys, sometimes I talk a lot, so I wanted to just do the video and you guys see how everything works. I think she has a makeup bag with all the other collection is like $50. The palette itself is $15, and the lip gloss is around $10. So I think I paid maybe $35 for everything. I really love the lip gloss. Okay, the lip gloss smells so good. This is my favorite. I love this color. It goes with the look. I wish they had more shades of these because this is a very nice formula. I love the smell. It just glide on very smoothly on the lips. This is just so beautiful. This one is a must-have. If you guys want to get anything else in the collection, make sure you get this lip gloss because this is such a beautiful shade. The palette itself is just a beautiful palette. I love the color. I love that it's white. And I know I'm gonna dirty this, but it doesn't matter. All the shade means something to Fumi, and I just love the shades. It blends out really nice. They are not chalky. As you guys know, Juvia'S has one of the best eyeshadows out there right now. I'm just happy for her. This is her first collection and she did such a great job with all the shades. Congratulations to you, Fumi. I don't know if you're gonna see this video, but I'm very proud of you. You created such a beautiful collection and I love each and every one of them. Use her code as well. You get 10% off. I will put all her information in the description box below. And congratulations to you again, Fumi, and I hope to see more collaboration with you and Juvia'S in the near future. I definitely will see you guys in my other video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and again guys, thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.